everyone, it's me again, your favorite not so mad scientist. And today is day number 5 of Spooky Science. We are one day closer to Halloween. In fact, the week is almost over. It's getting cold in some places, the leaves are turning yellow, and we keep going because Halloween is almost here. Today's experiment is all about acids and bases, just like we talked about yesterday. In fact, the reaction is the same. But today, we have a twist. Remember how we created gas like carbon dioxide and the gas didn't have anywhere to go and the gas would go inside the balloon and the balloon would inflate itself? Yeah, today the gas is going somewhere. In fact, the gas is going everywhere. So get ready for a little fun mess. Well, there are 2 ways this experiment can be done and we're gonna do both of them. The materials are the same for both of them, but the time for them to be ready are a little bit different. So get ready, scared, and let's get spooky. Here's what you need. Baking soda, remember that's our base. Vinegar or acid. Some dish soap. Food coloring, it's optional. You don't need to have it, but if you want to give like a colorful touch, you need them. Pair of gloves, or you can use tongs so you can grab them and you're gonna see what. Plastic pipettes, bows, a tray so you don't make that big of a mess, fork and spoon, some eyeballs, plastic ones, or some like creepy crawlers, these little party gifts you can find everywhere, and optional pipe cleaners. Let's go. First, you're gonna put 1 cup of baking soda in a bowl. Then you add your food coloring in your mixture. Now, little by little, you're gonna start adding water. You're gonna mix the baking soda and the water until you find a consistency that you can shape, like this one. Now you grab your plastic eyeball and you are going to pack it inside the mixture of baking soda and water. You can do this with your eyeballs and with your creepy crawlers. You can do both, you can do just one, and then you're gonna set aside. So at the end, you should have something like this. You can add the green pipe cleaners so they can look a little bit like pumpkins. Now you're gonna let it sit for at least 6 hours. So I advise you to just let it sit overnight. That's what I'm going to do, so see you guys tomorrow. Alright, I let my pumpkins sit overnight. But before we have fun with those ones, we're gonna do the easiest one, the fastest one, okay? First, you're gonna pour a little bit of dish soap in the bottom of your bowl. That's not gonna do anything for your reaction, it's just gonna make it more bubbly, okay? It's gonna be more fun. Second, you're gonna drop your eyeballs or your creepy crawlers in your bowls. Now, you're gonna pour baking soda over your eyeballs and your spiders. Now in another bowl, you're gonna pour a little bit of vinegar and you are going to mix your food coloring. Now you just pour over your mixture. It's a little messy, but it's so much fun. I'm gonna do it again. Now I put some red food coloring in this one, more baking soda and more eyeballs. The science behind this one is the same from last experiment, the one with the balloon, remember? Except in this case, the carbon dioxide is not inflating a balloon, but is in the bubbles and fizzling in your bowls or in your cup on our case here. And the gas is being released into the air. Now I'm gonna clean this mess up and we're gonna go for our next one, the one that sit overnight, okay? Alright, my mess is clean and now we're gonna go for the next experiment that is pretty much the same thing, it just set overnight and it's gonna reveal a surprise in the end. You're gonna pour some dish soap at the bottom of your cups and then the bottom of your bowl. Now we're gonna color our vinegar again. Alright, our vinegar is purple now. Now using the tongue, remember, I'm gonna grab one of our pumpkins that set overnight and that I'm going to put on our bowl. And for this one, you can either go slow and see what's going on in our reaction, or you can just go a little bit crazy and just pour the whole thing down there. And then at the end, you're gonna have a surprise. And you just keep adding vinegar. Until your surprise is good and you can see it. Just like that, you have a surprise reveal with the help of a little bit of vinegar. I just love this experiment and I hope you enjoy it too. It is a little bit messy though and I don't like that, but to be honest, it's Halloween week and nothing can make me upset. I see you tomorrow with another experiment that's gonna be loud. Bye!